Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. Today we leave Salou and we head up to a beautiful little place dubbed Spain's most beautiful village, and we'll see why when we get there. Okay, we're just checking out of our room now. They upgraded us to the deluxe room, so this is obviously a bit more space. You can see the end of the bed, and then out onto the balcony there you get like your own terrace view of the pool. Pretty nice. And this is me stood at the patio doors. You've got desk, bedside table, this huge bench, like there's my foot on it, so you can see it's pretty huge. Two massive beds, all our stuff now we're going, and that's it really. Lovely bathroom too, like nice, fresh, modern. I'll show you that actually. Nice shower, toilet, mirror, hair dryer, sink, you know, the basics. So we're just leaving the hotel now, back in the van, and we're going to Siurana, and it looks like an absolutely beautiful place. So we're going to head up there now and then head back down to La Rapida, because tonight is the start of the fiestas, and it's like a 3-week long thing, so there's something like every day happening, and the town like comes together and stuff. So let's head up this beautiful town first, then back down to La Rapida. Let's go. Okay, we've just done one of the most beautiful drives I've ever done in my life, and now we're here, Siurana. This is incredible. It's 38 degrees, Scorchio. That on these roads. I am so excited to get the drone up in the air here. This is breathtaking, this place. We've just sun creamed up. Pam's gonna have a little look over here for the first time. Then we're going into the town, which is just a couple of minutes walk.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my...
So the heat here is crazy. It's like a really dry heat. There's no humidity. It's just super dry. It's quite nice. Pam doesn't like the bugs.
Highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
This place honestly is crazy. I'm just in the shade of the church. Wow man, this is like spectacular. This is the reason they call this Spain's most beautiful village online. Breathtaking.
Must be the chimney.
I think this is somebody's house. Look at their view. Look at their view. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
We've just stopped at this bar for a drink, and it is honestly the most beautiful bar I think I've ever been to. Look at the views.
If I never figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
If you ever come here, spend 15 minutes in that bar and get a view like this. It is insane. I think this is hands down the most beautiful place I've been anywhere. That's the little bar we've just sat and had a drink at, looking out over all of this. Beautiful. We're just heading back to the van now. That aircon is going to feel so good when we fly the drone. Let's do it. Right, so we're back in La Rapida now. Van's away, we're just walking back. We stopped in Cambrils. Well, we drove into Cambrils, looked for some lunch, but we didn't stop. We kept going, then we went to Carrefour, get some supplies. And now is the start of the Fiesta Majora, I think it's pronounced. And it's like, there's some live music down the front, and then all of these things in the street. You'll see they've put more in for the running with the bulls, which will be interesting. So we're just gonna go back, just freshen up, we're not showering or anything, and then straight down the front, catch this music and the start of the fiestas. He knows. Right, just put another load of washing in there, getting it all ready for when we get back. It is warm again, man. It is so warm. But we're gonna have a little walk down now. Let's see if we can see this music. The start of the fiesta. Let's get it. So we've just got down the front now, and if you see here, there's a load of like candles being lit, and over there there's like flowers. So we're just gonna have a little walk around, see what it is.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.